Oh, hey, I didn't see you there. Welcome to episode 2 of Therapeutic Tech Talk. Have you ever had a problem of running out of storage on your phone? Well, you can see these photos. I gotta delete all of them. But first, let's take a look at the Western Digital MyCloud Home solution. So let's see what comes inside the box. Let's grab our trusty scissors here and get into this. Come on. There we go. All right. So first thing that we get looks like the manual. And this is the storage unit. I'm not sure if you can actually upgrade the storage on this, but let's see. We'll put the box to the side for now. And finish unwrapping this guy. So it's a decent size. It's not too big, I'd say, but wouldn't matter anyways. You're basically putting this right beside where your router is and leaving it be. So that's it. On the front here, we have the power connection. We have the Ethernet port, USB 3.0 port, and a LED light to make sure that it's syncing properly. Other than that, there's not much to it here. So, and inside the box here, I think all we have left is some power cables. So we got the Ethernet ports here, and of course we have the power cable. So nothing too special. Lastly, let's get rid of that. And it's just a manual. So setup is pretty straightforward. All you have to do is take your storage device, and with the Ethernet cable they provided you, connect one end into the device right here, and then the other end goes right into your modem or router right there. So let's just plug it in. So that part is done. Now all we have to do is plug in our cloud storage device. So, and we'll just plug it in right there. And that's pretty much it. You see right now that it's booting up. So let's go back to either your phone or your Mac or PC and finish the setup process. So once you finish setting up your storage device, all you have to do is go to mycloud.com/hello, and here's where you can finish setting up your device. So once everything's finished setting up, you can download their app. It's called MyCloud. And once you launch it, you have various options. You can create folders, you can back up all your photos as well. And what's nice about this is when you have something on your phone here and you upload it onto the app, it'll be stored across all your different devices. So if I pull out my Mac here, you can see that you have the exact same file here as well. And if you download this file right here, you can see that you can just start playing it right away. At this point in the video, you might be wondering, why am I even bothering with all this? It seems like a bunch of hassle when you can just use Google Drive, for example, or OneDrive, or even iCloud. Well, the main thing is that everything that you're storing is stored locally. It's stored inside your own home where you know where your data is. You're not using services such as Google or Microsoft. When you upload your files there, it's stored all across the world in servers. And in case anything ever happens, you might lose all that data. In this case, all your data is stored across all your devices inside your own home. Another advantage is that you're not paying a monthly subscription fee. You're buying this storage unit once and that's it. So I hope this video was useful for you. If it was, please subscribe right here and hit that like button as well. You can also find me on Twitter at Therapy Tech Talk. And until next time, see ya.